This is high quality ambulthiyal straight from the clay pot. It's amazing. From Galle Town, 15 kilometers inside, there's this beautiful small village called Dyllon. Now it's known as Baddegama. So I'm going to take you on a journey on traditional cooking. That's how we're going to do it here in Baddegama. So today I thought that we should be cooking ambulthiyal. It's kind of a fish that we mainly use in the southern part of Sri Lanka. It's mainly in Galle. So, oh my god, I found this crazy ride, which is an antique bicycle that it's an amazing experience. Wow. So I'm going to my friend's place. It's an olden day traditional kitchen, and I'm going to enjoy the traditional cooking, and also going to explain how to cook by using a wood stove. We're going right back into the woods. Woohoo! So I'm here in Baddegama. Ayubowan. So Amma, tell me. Thank you so much for having me here today. And we are here to experience some traditional cooking that is very native towards the south coast of Sri Lanka. And today we are going to do ambulthiyal. So what is ambulthiyal and how it's done? We're going to tell you how it's done. So shall we start? Can we?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. So this is a traditional kitchen. How old is this house then?
80 years.
80 years.
Yeah.
So it has been a place where a lot of memories have been built up, and you can see how the kitchen is. And this is on to your left. Yeah, the wood stove, which preserves the nutrition, and we will be cooking using clay pots.
Yeah.
So today we'll be introducing the dish called ambulthiyal.
Yeah.
So this fish is the tuna that we got it from Galle. So Amma will show us how the process is done, the real process of making ambulthiyal. එතකොට අපි මොනවද අම්මා use කරන්නේ?
Make pepper.
So this is black pepper.
Black pepper. Gum miris.
Yeah, in Sri Lanka we call it gum miris. This is from the tree itself?
Yeah, from our garden.
Okay, this is straight from the garden, organic.
Yeah.
Then what else are we using? Goraka. So this is goraka, also known as Garcinia cambogia, which helps you to reduce any form of fat in the food, and it reduces cholesterol as well.
You want to?
So what we are going to do is, okay, let's see how the process
Should
is.
I?
Yeah, go ahead. Can I try doing it? Okay, it has been a while since I used this. So this is the real traditional way to ground your pepper. We won't be using any blenders or grinders. Wow, look at that. So we take it, the mamagana. Wow, look at that. It's amazing, the fragrance. Oh my god, it's so fresh. So this is, we call it pandan leaf in Malaysia. This is rampak. Then the
Karapincha.
curry leaves. And we have a little bit of garlic.
Garlic.
Okay. Bawang putih. And onions. This is the onion, right? Okay. So what we do is we take everything and we do a paste.
Yeah, a paste.
Right? And then how does the process go from there?
එකම දාලා එකට අඳලා paste එක හදා ගන්නවා. paste එකට මාළු කෑල්ල කෑල්ල දාලා හොඳට ඒ paste එක වදින්න pack කරනවා මේකේ.
So once the paste is done, we're going to add the fish into the paste.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Can we see how it's done? So how can I help you? What do you want now?
Goraka.
Goraka.
All.
All.
Pepper.
All?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Salt.
Salt. Enough? Some more?
Another 2.
Okay. Now we mix it
Yeah.
with water.
Get a bit of garlic.
To add water, and you kind of dilute it.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the color. Beautiful. The tuna comes in. So we add.
එක එක දාන්න.
So you have to place one by one.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. So you saw the process. We did the paste by using Garcinia, that's Goraka. Then everything what you saw here, even this, for your convenience, we have made it a paste and we have added already. So what we are going to do right now is to add the curry leaves. Curry leaves,
Yeah.
then rampa, pandan leaves. Handling කරන එකයි මෙහෙම කරන එකයි වෙනස මොකක්ද?
Mixing.
So she says that when you normally what we do is we use a spoon and we try to stir it, but in Sri Lanka what we do is
Better than.
it's better so that you don't break the fish.
Yeah.
So that's the science behind it. So are we ready to cook this? We are all set to do the traditional cooking by using this wood stove. Final process is we have to close it.
Yeah, close.
Yeah, we need to close this. And how long are we going to be?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah. Right back after 20 minutes. This is something that you won't get anywhere else. You will find it here in Sri Lanka. Conventional cooking versus traditional cooking. You can see the color of my hands. It's dirty, and that's how we like to cook. Without getting your hands dirty, it won't be cooking. So we'll see you in 20 minutes. So this is low grown tea. This is the southern part. You can see the tea. You might wonder what I'm doing behind the tea bush. Yes, this is the exact picture that you get when you come to Baddegama. So I'm at my friend's place and this entire area is actually behind his house. So you can see tea, a banana tree, I've got a king coconut tree, and we have cinnamon, the real deal cinnamon. This is the world-class cinnamon. When it comes to cinnamon, Ceylon cinnamon stands as number one. We have Alba C5, C5 Special, and accordingly there are other grades. But for me, this is the best experience, straight from the tree itself. It's amazing. Oh my god. Fantastic. This tree is the king of coconuts, and I would call it the master of coconuts. It's called rantamili, that which we use for hair tonic or hair oil. So Dyllon's kitchen invades the traditional cooking here in Galle. So I'm gonna show you how we are going to do a coconut sambal from scratch. So this is how we are going to open the coconut. So if you ever find this experience, I just learned, you find lines on this coconut. You can see these lines. So if you want to break it without breaking your hand, you just hit right on top of this line. There you go. I'm going to preserve the water because I want to use the water to use it to cook my tom yum. There you go, a perfect coconut. So we have come to the final stage of Dyllon's kitchen expeditions. So I'm here to check the ambulthiyal. We are after 20 minutes. Let's go and see how it's done. Amma, ready the maker?
Ready.
Make a hari dang neda. So now you can see that the fire is low. So it's kind of a baking process. The ambe me මාළු කරියේ ඇඹුල්තියලේ තියෙන වෙනස මොකද්ද?
ඇඹුල්තියල ඊටම රසයි. අනිත් එක ලංකාවේ පාරම්පරික ආහාරයක්. අනිත් එක කරිය පොඩි තියෙනවා. ඒක කල් තියාගන්න බෑ. ඒ වෙලාවට කාලා ඉවර කරන්න ඕනේ. මේක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්.
So the question that I asked her was, what's the difference between a fish curry and the ambulthiyal? So she was explaining to me that when you do the ambulthiyal, you can keep it for a longer time. That is because of the salt and the Garcinia cambogia, which will preserve the fish. So you don't need a refrigerator just to keep it. So the same time in the fish curry, the fish is more like tend to be curry. But now you can see this is baked. Oh my God, the aroma is amazing. This is high quality ambulthiyal, straight from the clay pot. It's amazing. So I think I just can't wait to dig in. So it's time for me to wrap up from this kitchen, and Amma බොහොම ස්තුතියි මාව මේ විදියට මෙහෙට ගෙන්නගෙන මේ ඇඹුල්තියලක් උගන්නපු එක ගැන. So I just thanked her for welcoming me, and it's a wonderful place to visit, and this experience you will never get it anywhere else if you want to do traditional cooking. So stay tuned with Dyllon's Kitchen. I thank you again and see you soon.
බොහොම ස්තුතියි පුතා.
බොහොම ස්තුතියි අම්මට අවශ්‍ය වැඩියෙන් ලැබේවා කියලා ප්‍රාර්ථනා කරනවා.
බොහොම ස්තුතියි.
So Amma wants me to visit her again. Such a wonderful, sweet lady, and definitely this is not going to be my first visit. There will be another visit. Dyllon's Kitchen Expeditions. We'll see you again with another episode. Thank you.